Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to check your dragon collection on the Dragon City application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take 5 minutes when the application is uploading. Tap to the book icon at the upper side of the screen. And here you can find 3 options, the Mastery, Collections and the Dragons. Click to the third option, the Dragons. And here you can check what dragons you have. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.